Hi there, I'm Bo Miller from Boutique Realty, and today I'm at 75 Mitchell Street in Acacia Ridge. Just thought I would do a walkthrough video for you of this home. As on the ad, we've got that it's a corner block, so as you can see, quite a large front yard, single car garage here, and quite a good size driveway. I'm just going to do a little bit of a pivot around there. Now it's got security crimsafe on the front door and security grills all the way through. Carpeted. We've got smoke alarms throughout. This is your main bedroom here. Air conditioned with a large wardrobe. Through to bathroom. It's got a large bath. And shower. Okay. Toilet and laundry. I might just pick out the laundry for you so you can have a look at the backyard. Small garden shed there. Okay. In this hallway is the second bedroom with wardrobe. I'll also show you here bedroom number 3. So kitchen, electric cooking there, quite a large fridge space as well, and then your open plan living with ceiling fans and also air conditioned. In here, you'll see this is your garage, automatic garage, single garage door there, plenty of shelving up the top. And then out to your patio. So as you can see, this is a lovely 3-bedroom. It is currently tenanted. It's tenants till March 2023. They're paying $400 per week. We are opening up offers for offers over $629,000. You can jump onto Market Buy and make an offer. We've just done an open home today. Very busy open home, so this one really won't last long. We would love to hear from you if you are interested. My number is 0411 439 437. Thank you. Have a great day.